In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the automatic restarting of your computer after system failure on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu or start menu, select the power button, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard while selecting restart. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the shift key. You don't have to be holding anything anymore. If you're unable to boot in the Windows to do this, you can just do a hard power off 3 times in a row and wait for this menu to open up. And then once you're here, select the troubleshoot option, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select restart. And then at this point, you can select the F9 or function 9 key to disable automatic restarting after failure. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.